Hi everyone! In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform a push installation of an agent to your Windows and Linux target machines. So, let's get started. Let me start by saying that there are three different methods that you can use to install an agent. You can perform a push installation from the console to your desired targets. You can manually install an agent, and you can install an agent from the cloud. This video demonstrates the push installation option. The other two options are covered in separate videos. In order to perform the push installation, each target machine must be online and have an active network connection to the console during the installation process. In addition, Linux machines must be properly configured to allow the console to connect using either the root account or passwordless sudo access. Please see the System Requirements Help topic for complete details. You can initiate a push installation from three different locations. For machines that have not been previously scanned, you can initiate the agent installation from a machine group. You simply select the machines and then click the Install Agent button. For machines for which a patch scan, an asset scan, or a power status scan has just recently been performed, you can initiate an agent installation while viewing the results of the scan. For example, if I select the two Linux machines that were involved in this power status scan, I can use the right-click menu and install the desired agent policy. For any of your other machines that you are managing, you can use Machine View. You simply select the desired machine or machines and then use the right-click menu. Let's actually initiate an installation here so you can see the entire process. The operations monitor is displayed automatically and is used to track the progress of the installation. Once the agent is successfully installed, you can refresh the view in Machine View to see the updated agent state for the machine. In this example, Machine View is reporting that our subject machine now contains an active agent. In addition, you can see the name of the agent policy and the date and time that the agent last checked in with the console. For more information about Ivanti security controls or any of our other products, see the other videos available on this channel or visit our product documentation page. And be sure to watch the related videos that demonstrate the other two agent installation options. Thanks for watching.